Ever wondered what the buzz around Solana is all about? Well, let's demystify it. Solana is a high-performance blockchain platform that's been turning heads in the cryptocurrency realm. With its rising popularity, it's not only making waves, but also has the potential to revolutionize the landscape of blockchain technology. Known for its speed and scalability, Solana could very well be the next big thing in the crypto universe. So, are you ready to dive in? Dive in with us as we explore the world of Solana. Solana didn't just appear from nowhere, it has an interesting origin story. It first saw the light of day in 2017, a brainchild of the innovative mind of Anatoly Yakovenko. Prior to his blockchain endeavors, Yakovenko had made a name for himself in the tech world, particularly at Qualcomm. There, he was deeply involved with cutting-edge technology, and it was this experience that sparked an ambitious idea. Yakovenko observed the efficiencies of modern computer chips and wondered, why couldn't blockchain technology do the same? Why couldn't it process transactions with the same level of speed and efficiency? This was the seed from which Solana sprouted. Yakovenko's vision was clear: a blockchain that could keep up with the pace of the modern world. A blockchain that was not only fast but also scalable and secure. With a clear vision, Yakovenko set out to bring his idea to life. What sets Solana apart from other cryptocurrencies? Let's find out. Solana's primary distinguishing factor is its high throughput, capable of processing over 50,000 transactions per second. That's faster than a cheetah chasing its dinner. This high-speed transaction processing is a game changer in the world of digital currencies, where speed is of the essence. But what's the use of speed if it comes at a high cost, right? Well, Solana has got that covered too. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies that charge you an arm and a leg for transactions, Solana prides itself on its low transaction costs. This means you can make more transactions without breaking the bank, making Solana not just fast, but also affordable. Now you might be wondering, how does Solana achieve this magical blend of speed and affordability? The answer lies in its unique consensus mechanisms: proof of history and proof of stake. Proof of history, or POH, is Solana's secret sauce. Unlike traditional blockchain technologies that require every transaction to be processed in order, POH allows for historical records of transactions, creating a verifiable timestamp that improves overall efficiency. This means that transactions can be processed in parallel, significantly speeding up the process. On the other hand, proof of stake, or POS, is like the trusty old friend who keeps everything secure. Unlike proof of work, which requires substantial computational power and energy, POS is a more energy-efficient mechanism. In Solana's POS system, validators are selected to create blocks based on the number of tokens they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This not only reduces energy consumption, but also adds an extra layer of security to the network. Together, these two mechanisms form the backbone of Solana's high-speed, low-cost transaction processing capabilities. They are the dynamic duo that allows Solana to surpass many of its competitors in terms of speed, cost, and security. These features not only make Solana unique, but also incredibly efficient. But how does Solana achieve these impressive feats? It's all in the technology. Let's start with the heart of Solana's operation, the proof of history, or POH. Unlike Bitcoin's proof of work, or Ethereum's proof of stake, Solana's POH is a novel innovation in the blockchain space. But what exactly is it? Proof of history is a cryptographic technique to verify the order and passage of time between events. So, instead of relying on external references to keep track of time, Solana has its own internal clock, so to speak. This allows the blockchain to create a historical record of transactions, verifying the sequence and time that each one took place. It's like a digital timestamp that ensures the integrity and chronological order of transactions. The result? An incredibly efficient blockchain. You see, by having a verifiable passage of time, Solana can process transactions concurrently. This means that many transactions can be processed at the same time, significantly speeding up the overall throughput of the blockchain. Now, let's move on to the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, another key piece of Solana's technology. In the world of blockchain, a consensus mechanism is a way for all nodes in the network to agree on the state of the distributed ledger. In Solana's case, it uses a proof-of-stake mechanism. But what does that mean? Well, in a proof-of-stake system, validators are chosen to create a new block based on the number of tokens a validator is willing to stake as collateral. The more tokens staked, the higher the chance of being chosen to validate transactions. But why stake tokens? The answer is simple: rewards. Validators are incentivized to participate and behave honestly, as they receive rewards for their service and stand to lose their staked tokens if they act maliciously. This not only secures the network but also validates transactions, keeping Solana's blockchain running smoothly. It's worth noting that Solana's proof-of-stake system is enhanced by proof-of-history. By combining these two technologies, Solana can process thousands of transactions per second, outpacing many traditional financial systems and even other blockchains. To put it simply, Solana's technology is like a well-oiled machine. Each part, from proof of history to proof of stake, works together to create a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain. It's a system designed to handle the growing demands of the digital world, whether it's for financial transactions, smart contracts, decentralized applications, or anything else the future might hold. So, there you have it. The power of Solana lies in its innovative technology. By leveraging the efficiency of proof of history and the security of proof of stake, Solana has positioned itself as a frontrunner in the blockchain race. Through these technologies, Solana has revolutionized what we thought was possible with blockchain. The Solana white paper is a treasure trove of information. Here's what you should know. The Solana white paper is a comprehensive document that details the project's mission and approach. The mission is clear and straightforward: to provide fast, secure, and scalable blockchain solutions. But as you might already know, the devil's in the details. So let's get into it. The white paper emphasizes Solana's commitment to solving the scalability issue, a notorious challenge in the blockchain world. While most cryptocurrencies struggle with this hurdle, Solana has devised a unique approach. Solana's strategy revolves around a concept called proof of history. This is not just a fancy term. It's an innovative, time-based solution that allows Solana to process transactions faster and more efficiently. By creating a historical record of transactions, Solana can establish the order of events without needing to rely on external validators. This significantly reduces the time and resources required to process transactions, thereby enhancing scalability. But Solana doesn't stop at proof of history. The white paper also details other technological innovations, such as the Solana cluster and Turbine, a block propagation protocol. These elements work in tandem to ensure that Solana's blockchain is not only fast but also secure and robust. The white paper also reveals Solana's ambition to be more than just another cryptocurrency. It outlines plans for Solana to become a platform for decentralized applications, dApps, and even a potential basis for a new internet architecture. This vision, while ambitious, speaks volumes about Solana's potential to disrupt the crypto space. The white paper, therefore, is not just a technical document but a blueprint for Solana's future. It sets out a clear path towards a fast, secure, and scalable blockchain that could revolutionize the way we think about and use cryptocurrencies. And remember, the white paper is not set in stone. It's a living document that evolves as Solana grows and adapts to new challenges and opportunities. So keep an eye on it to stay updated on Solana's journey. The white paper sets a clear and ambitious path for Solana's future. So what have we learned about Solana today? We've delved deep into the world of Solana, a cryptocurrency that's making waves and turning heads. It's not just another digital currency on the block. No, it's a trailblazer, pushing boundaries and setting new standards in the realm of blockchain technology. We've explored Solana's unique features, which set it apart from the rest. Its high-speed transaction processing, scalability, and low transaction costs are just a few facets of its uniqueness. These features stem from its innovative technology, which is driven by a revolutionary consensus algorithm known as proof of history. This is a significant departure from the traditional proof of work or proof of stake algorithms that most cryptocurrencies use. Not to forget, we've also delved into the Solana white paper, a comprehensive document that lays out its ambitious plans and innovative technology. The white paper, in essence, is a roadmap, detailing how Solana intends to disrupt the status quo and redefine our understanding of what a cryptocurrency can do. In a world where cryptocurrencies are a dime a dozen, Solana stands out. It's not just its technology that sets it apart, but also its vision for the future. A future where blockchain technology is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure than ever before. With its innovative technology and ambitious plans, Solana is certainly a cryptocurrency to watch.